So you are stuck with this 3:4 aspect ratio on the iPhone, and you want to change it to say 16:9 or any aspect ratio of your choice. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. First, open the camera app on your iPhone. Then you want to swipe the camera up like so, and this will reveal extra settings below. And you can swipe down to exit the extra settings. Alternatively, you can click on the little arrow icon up here, and that will achieve the same result. If, peradventure, you landed on something like exposure, for example, you just have to click on the icon on this side to reveal other settings. Or maybe you landed in the timer. Just click the icon on the side. So, to change the aspect ratio, you should click on the one that says 4:3, and then you can change it to square, and also change it to 16:9. And then you can start taking your selfies. Kindly subscribe to the channel if you find this guide helpful, and leave a like.